Hey, hey, hey! Are you frustrated with having no results in your network marketing or online marketing business? Are you afraid that you will be scammed and so you dare not venture out into something like that though you are interested? Do you feel inadequate or that you cannot make money at all and it's just a far-fetched idea? Are you just plain overwhelmed with information overload? Or are you just one of those people like me spending a lot of time behind the computer and finding that you are going nowhere because you're not seeing the results that you want and wishing that there would be somebody who could help you get out of this rut? Well, I can identify with you. I purchased one product to another, hoping that that will be the one that will help me get off the ground in making money online. Well, I can say that it has been a failure, one after the other, until I found a system that works, and I discovered that I had to go and work on my mindset. That was the first thing that I discovered. And I had to unlearn. Second thing was I had to unlearn all the things that I have discovered before because they were not relevant. Well, I have got good news for you. The I Am Mastery Virtual Summit, secrets on how you can discover from the big time earners and apply them in your own business, is live right now. Seats are still available. Okay, there are 100 seats left, and you have to take action now before the timer runs out. If you don't take action, then you cannot get in when the timer runs out. Remember that. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. And the beautiful part of this is, this whole training is about the successes that 20 online entrepreneurs who have made money online, who have made a difference in their own lives and are helping others make money online, who have become successful, and now they are able to share their successes and the lessons that they have learned. They have actually shared a number of secrets already, and I was just so excited listening to actually two of them this morning. It was really, really awesome. And one thing I discovered for myself, okay, that I still have a long way to go. And though I have failed time and time again, it is not the end. I can make it. So can you. So this is actually a free course, okay, for the next 20 days. 10 days, sorry, because we have 2 speakers per day, 10 days. And you'll be listening to them on live. Okay, you'll be listening to them live. And if you miss it after you've registered, let's say you can't make it for the training, there will be a replay, but it is only for 24 hours. So you need to catch the replay. Now, the secret is, even though it is free, you get to watch it all the way till the end. And then there is a $37 price tag. Remember this. Even if you feel that this is not what you want and you think that you did not benefit from it, you didn't get any value out of it, you can just send email, okay, to support the Support Affiliate Network and say that you just don't want to pay the $37. Okay. Now, if you feel that you have actually got value on the topics, on the subjects that have been shared, then you'll just be deducted a one-time fee of $37. Now, please listen to the video in the link description, in the description, because it will explain to you very clearly what this summit is all about. I've already got so much of value. I've already seen myself applying what I've learned today. Really, I'm already applying what I've learned today. So I want you to also come on board. Remember, 100 seats left. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification so that you can receive future videos from me. Bye for now.